Video number 27. Solving a DC circuit problem. Determine the voltages, V1 and V2 in this network. To start with, we can redraw the original network, like this. This series combination gives us 6 kiloohms and 3 kiloohms, in parallel with 6 kiloohms, which is given by 3 kiloohms times 6 kiloohms, all over the quantity, 3 kiloohms plus 6 kiloohms. This gives us 18 kiloohms over 9 kiloohms, or 2 kiloohms. We can redraw the circuit now, to look like this. 2 kiloohms resistors in series. Before continuing, I am going to use something called the voltage divider rule, so let's take a quick look at that. The voltage divider rule is demonstrated by the solution to this circuit. The voltage source feeding two series resistors. In this circuit, the source voltage will be split between the two resistors, and Kirchhoff's voltage law tells us that the voltage drop across the two resistors must sum to equal the source voltage. Therefore, the voltage drop across each of these series resistors will be equal to that resistor's value, divided by the sum of the resistors in series, times the source voltage. That is, V1 is equal to R1, divided by the sum of R1 plus R2, times the source voltage, and V2 is equal to R2, divided by the sum of R1 plus R2, times the source voltage. Now the voltage divider rule can be sequentially applied. V1 equals 2 kiloohms divided by the quantity, 2 kiloohms plus 2 kiloohms, times 12 volts, equals 6 volts. Looking at the original network, we can again use voltage division. The voltage drop across the 2 kiloohms resistor, or V2, is 2 volts. This gives us the solutions to the original problem. Determine the voltages V1 and V2 in this network. This video is part of my DIY house circuit layout and connection series. In this series, I will be covering essential topics to help you understand and manage your home's electrical system safely and efficiently. Be sure and stay tuned, as I will also, from time to time, be reviewing electrical products that in my opinion are worthy of paying attention to. One of those products is the 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 Delta Pro Ultra. The 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿A Delta Pro Ultra is one of the most versatile, whole home backup solutions that has just been introduced to the market. This backup power system is designed for both extended outages and daily use. With an unrivaled capacity of 6 kilowatt-hours, 7,200 watts output, and 5.6 kilowatts solar input, a single unit can run your entire home. With 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿A Smart Home Panel, you get an uninterrupted power backup experience with automatic switchover, energy consumption monitoring, and lower electricity bills. This unit is not driven by gas or diesel generation but uses the battery storage unit that is charged when the utility is available. This means that the unit can be placed indoors or outdoors and is virtually silent when operating. It has a stackable design that can be expanded to increase output in only minutes. Compatible with various energy sources, from solar to gas, to meet your ever-changing power needs. To obtain a discount code for 5% off on all 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿A products and more information on this subject, and pick up your free digital copy of the Ultimate Guide to Residential Standby Generators. Simply fill out the information requested when you go to this website, https://bit.ly/3 lowercase u, uppercase w, lowercase v, lowercase e, uppercase r, lowercase h. Before we end this video, I want to repeat the connection to my free copy of the Ultimate Guide to Residential Standby Generators, and the 5% discount code to all 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿A products. Also, here is the connection to obtain a free copy of my 50-page electrical power crib sheets. And finally, here is the link to all of my electrical courses, which are located in my Stan store.